Hey guys, welcome back to Artwork Fly. So today is October the 2nd, day 2 of Inktober, and we're still going. What I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to draw my favorite cartoon characters again, but using markers this time and only males this time around. So let's begin.
Artwork Fly. I tried using the cheap markers, but it wasn't working, so I switched to that blue one that you see there.
Okay, this one is already a mess. This one is tearing the paper. This is not working, and these two blue does not work with this, so we're just going to have to leave this.
I tried going again with the same blue to give it a second coat, and it was much better.
This ink is Sharpie. This is Sharpie, so we'll see how this works on Courage.
Sharpie works wonders. This marker was not bad at all. I did draw these characters by hand. I did not trace them, just a bit of heads up, so it's not bad. For persons who watch these cartoons, if you can name all the characters, then you probably might win a portrait drawing after October the 31st. Remember, I'm still doing the giveaway. I had a problem drawing this character here. The mouth needed to be much bigger, but I just left it as is, so next time around. These markers that I'm using is called classic brush tip markers. They're by Sergeant Art, so they're not bad at all. You can try them out if you want. You just have to give it like a second coating if you're using it. These characters were definitely some of my favorite cartoons back then, cartoon characters back then.
This is it. So this is it, guys. Comment down below and tell me if you prefer the ink around it or the marker around it, or nothing at all. Thank you for watching Artwork Fly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.